Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix STALCRAFT X game crashing, crashes startup, crashing to desktop, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen issue, freezing problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. And this is for the Epic Games user. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then launch the Epic Games launcher and then launch the STALCRAFT game and check. If that doesn't work, then fix 2 is to modify the game launch options. So you can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Epic Games. Next to the STALCRAFT X game, click on this three dot and then click on manage. Now enable the launch options and here type -DX11 first and then close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game manage and here type DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game manage, remove the launch options, toggle off the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. You have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here. Then select the operating system and then click on find. Then you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then check mark the custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark a perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then you can launch the game and check. Next solution is to verify the game files. So open Epic Games, click on this three dot next to the game and then click on manage. And then next to the verify files, click on this verify. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair. And if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to disable overlays. So you can disable Discord overlay, disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse, or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game. Fix 8 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. If none of the solution work for you, then uninstall STALCRAFT X game from your PC. Then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve STALCRAFT X game crashing, crashes startup, crashing to desktop, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or stuck on infinite loading screen, not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem, freezing problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.